Welcome back to my video again. And today we shall discuss about the protector. And I think we have already discussed what is the protector in our last video, and we also become to know what are the parts of a protector. So before starting about the protector, let us revise whatever we have studied in our last video. So let us see what is the protector. Protector is the tools for measuring the angle. Protector is the standard tools for measuring the angle or forming the angle. By using the protector, we can measure the angle as well as we can form an angle. Because there it is not possible to form the angle using only ruler and compass. Here we need some angle to form, we use protector. Okay, like 50-degree angle. If we want to draw 50-degree angle, then we cannot draw the angle of 50 degree using only ruler and compass. In order to form the angle of 50 degree, we need the protector. So that protector is a very useful tool to form the angles as well as to measure the angle. Using protector, we can measure any type of angle. So that protector is very useful tools. So let us know about what is the parts of the protector. Protector is just like a scale. Protector is just like a scale because any quantity that have to be measured, they are measured using a tool known as scale. If we measure the weight, then we use the weighing machine, which is also a scale. If we want to measure the length, we also use a scale, which is known as the meter scale. Similarly, in order to measure the angle, we use protector. So that protector is also a scale. The protector has two scales. The first scale is inner scale, is inner scale, and the second is outer scale. Is the outer scale. The inner scale is further divided into 180 equal parts. Means it divided from 0 degree to 180 degree. Means it is divided into 180 equal parts. 180 equal parts, and each part are known as degree because the the standard unit of angle is degree. So that each equal part or each part, that means since the scale is divided into 180 equal part, therefore each part of the scale is called degree, means 1 degree. Similarly, outer scale is also further divided into 180 equal part, that means 0 degree to 180 degree, and each part is also known as degree. Okay. The inner scale, the inner scale is used to measure the angle which form in anti-clockwise direction. We use the inner scale to measure the angle which are formed from right to left direction or anti-clockwise direction, and outer scale is used to measure the angle which form in clockwise direction or from left to right. Here, if an angle is given like this, then we measure the angle from right to left. That means here the angle is formed in anti-clockwise direction. So that in order to measure such type of angle, we use inner scale. And the angle which is formed like this, in this case, we measure the angle from left to right. Left to right means we measure the angle in clockwise direction. And in the clockwise direction, the outer scale of the projector is used. I hope it is clear. So that there are two scales in the protector which are used to measure the angle as according their formation. If the angle is formed in anti-clockwise direction, then we use inner scale, that is this one, and in this scale we measure the angle from right to left. And if the angle formed in clockwise direction, then in this case we use outer scale and we measure from left to right. So that these are the scale of the protector. Protector also has another part which is known as the origin point. Origin point. At the origin point, the angle is always 90 degree. At the origin point, the angle formed is always 90 degree. Just suppose that as I show you a protractor in my last video, in which I show you that this is a protractor in which this point is known as origin point. This point is known as origin point, and the horizontal line is called base line. Base line. Origin point is always placed. The origin point of the protector is always placed at the vertex of the angle. Always placed at the vertex of the angle. And the base line is aligned along the horizontal ray of the angle. And in this way, we set the protector on the angle, and after that we are able to measure the magnitude of the angle. So these are topics are about the protector. Now we shall study some various type of angle. Okay, and after completing the definition of some type of angle, then we will start the exercise and try to solve some questions. So let us see what are the various type of angle. Types of angle. The first angle is zero angle. Second angle is absolute angle. Third one is right angle. The fourth is obtuse angle. The fifth is straight angle. Sixth is reflex angle, and the last is complete angle. So there are seven types of angle that we have to study in this chapter. So let us see each angle one by one. We define the angle and with their appropriate example. So let us see what are these type of angle. The first angle that we have to define here is zero angle. What is the zero angle? An angle which have the measure 0 degree. That means in this case the two rays are exactly coincident on each other. That means there is no movement of any arm in any direction, so that there the angle formed is only the 0 degree. So we just define that an angle which has the measure 0 degree is known as zero angle. Let us see from the figure. This is array OA. This is array OA, and the another ray is also congruent to it, that is this B. Here we can see that there are two rays which are aligned on the same line, so that there is no any there no ray move in any direction, so that the angle which form at the vertex is 0 degree, so that the angle which have the measure 0 degree is known as zero angle. I hope it is clear. Now the second one is acute angle. What is the acute angle? The acute angle which has the measure less than greater than 0 degree and less than 180 degree, one and greater than 90 degree. Okay, an angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, then such angle are known as acute angle. An angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, then we say that the angle is acute angle. Here O A O B. Here we can see that the ray B is moved, the ray B is rotated, and the angle formed here, suppose that the angle is A, so that the angle A is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, because the line, the ray, the arc OB is lies between the this vertical line and this horizontal ray or arm, so that the angle formed between the arm OA and OB is always greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So such type of angle are always known as acute angle, and here we write 0 degree is less than angle A, which is less than 90 degree. So this statement shows that the angle which form the angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. In general language, we define that an angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. So I hope what is the acute angle is clear. All the angle which vary from 0 degree to 90 degree. All the angle which varies from 0 degree to 90 degree such as 15 degree, 13 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree and 79. All such type of angle. These are angle, these all the angle varies from 0 to 90 degree. That means they belong between 0 to 90 degree, so that these are the acute angle. Now let us see our next, that is the right angle. Very easy definition. The right angle has very easy definition. We define that an angle which has the measure is 90 degree. The angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree is known as the right angle. Okay? In the right angle, the arms are always mutually perpendicular. In a right angle, the two arms are always perpendicular to each other. That means if this is a ray OA and the ray this OB, here we can see that the R OA and OB are perpendicular, and I told you that when we put our protector, we find that the ROB is lying on the origin point of the protector, and when the R which lie on the origin of the protector always form 90 degree angle, so that the angle between them is 90 degree, and we know that the angle which is equal to 90 degree is known as right angle. So I hope these three angles or the definition of these three angles are clear, and there is no doubt about any topics. So the other these topics we shall discuss in our next video. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you will practice more and more from your textbook. So thank you very much.